A century from Aiden Markram and a late burst of wickets from the West Indies bowlers meant honours were shared on the opening day of the first test between the West Indies and South Africa at Centurion. The home team reached 314 for 8 at stumps in their first innings. Jermaine Brown reports.
With both teams looking to make an early statement in the match and the series, it was the South Africans who won the toss and elected to bat. Aiden Markram, playing his first test match since August 2022, and immediate past captain Dean Elgar settled quickly and took on the Windies bowlers, including the experienced Kemar Roach, who came in for the injured Gutukesh Moti. The Windies did have a chance to get Elgar's wicket early, but Jamaica's Jermaine Blackwood fumbled a straightforward catch at third slip of Kyle Mayers. But even as the Caribbean bowlers huffed and puffed, Markram and Elgar remained untroubled as South Africa went to lunch at 99 without loss. The Proteas would pick up where they left off after lunch as the Windies bowlers struggled for a breakthrough. Things were looking dire for the West Indies until Alzarri Joseph, who had looked the best of the Windies bowlers, got the much-needed opening wicket. Blackwood with a spectacular effort to remove Elgar for 71 as the host lost their first wicket at 141. The Windies would have been hoping for a burst of wickets thereafter, especially with the debutant Tony De Zorzi in at number 3. But this was not to be, with Markram putting on a cover drive masterclass and providing guidance to the much-touted Zorzi as they went to tea at 206 for 1. Markram would later have a scare on 99 as he survived a review, before bringing up his century the very next delivery, his first since 2021. The final session would belong to the Caribbean team, however, with Zorzi the first to go, run out for 28. 2 balls later, Joseph was brought back into the attack and immediately trapped new captain Temba Bavuma for a duck. Joseph would pick up his third wicket when he sent back century maker Markram for 115 with this searing yorker. The hosts had slipped from 206 for 1 to 236 for 4. Shannon Gabriel would also pick up his first wicket of the match, before Roach and then Kyle Mayers also got their names in the wickets column. Jason Holder also got the wicket of Kagiso Rabada to leave the hosts rueing the loss of 7 wickets for 79 runs in the final session. The Windies were back into the contest as the South Africans closed on 314 for 8. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.